Welcome back, everyone, to another deep dive. This time we're taking a look at OfferHub AI. And
Interesting choice.
yeah, I thought so. I think it's something that'll resonate with everyone listening because you know how much of a pain it is to create.
Yeah,
Like a really good offer for your product or your service.
totally.
You have to figure out the pricing and the market and the marketing copy.
It's so much. It's a ton to handle.
It really is a lot. And then OfferHub AI comes along and it's like, hey, what if AI could just take care of all that for you? And I'm like,
I mean, that's a pretty bold claim, right?
yeah, it is. And that's what we're going to dive into today.
Yeah.
So what kind of stuff did you dig up on OfferHub AI?
Well, you sent over a bunch of articles and reviews and even some webinar recordings. So it seems like there's a lot of buzz around this.
Definitely is. So, okay, let's get to the point. What does this AI actually do? Like, what problem are they trying to solve?
Yeah, the big thing is they're trying to make offer creation easier and faster. And they're doing that with AI, but the how is the really interesting part.
Yeah, how do they actually do it?
So they have this one-click offer generation thing.
Yeah.
You just tell it what your niche is and it spits out a whole offer.
Seriously?
Yeah, like the whole framework, with pricing strategy and market analysis and even some basic marketing stuff.
Whoa, wait a minute. A whole offer with just like one click.
That's what they say.
Even the marketing materials.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a one-stop shop for offer creation.
I mean, that sounds almost too good to be true.
Well, that's what we're here to find out, right?
Right. Okay. I'm hooked. Let's say I'm like a business owner who's totally swamped.
Yeah.
What problems are they saying that OfferHub AI will solve for me?
Time, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Think about all the things you have to do to create an offer. You got to research the market. You got to analyze your competitors. You got to figure out your message and design visuals.
Takes forever.
It can take weeks or even months. And OfferHub AI is supposed to do it way faster.
So speed is a big thing. Okay. But it's not just time, is it? What else?
Expertise.
Right.
Not everyone's a marketing expert, and hiring someone can be expensive.
Definitely.
So they're saying OfferHub AI is like a way to get good marketing stuff without needing to be an expert yourself.
Like having an AI marketing assistant.
Exactly.
Okay, but what kind of stuff are we talking about here?
Well, they say it generates Facebook ads and promo emails.
Oh, wow.
Even scripts for YouTube videos.
Seriously?
Yeah, and it's not just generic templates either.
Okay, that's impressive. So it solves the time problem, the expertise problem, and even helps if you're just stuck for ideas.
Yeah, they're definitely pitching it as a way to kickstart your creativity.
I see. But how does it actually work, though?
Okay, so to understand that, we gotta
Unpack it a bit.
Yeah, unpack the AI a bit.
Yeah.
So they say they use natural language processing.
Okay.
Which means it can understand human language, and that's how it analyzes market trends and generates the content.
So it's not just copying stuff from the internet.
Right? It's actually trying to understand what people are saying.
Interesting.
And they also use machine learning algorithms,
Which
basically means the AI learns and gets better over time.
the more people use it, the smarter it gets.
Exactly.
So we've got language processing and machine learning. That sounds pretty fancy.
It does.
But I'm still not totally clear on how that turns into creating an offer.
Okay, so maybe we should look at the process of actually using OfferHub AI.
Okay, yeah.
So first, you have to tell it your niche or target market.
Okay.
So let's say you're an online fitness coach.
Right. I'm an online fitness coach. What do I do?
You tell OfferHub AI your specific niche, like yoga for beginners or strength training for seniors.
Got it.
And then the AI does its magic. It analyzes the market and looks for trends and what your competitors are doing and what your potential customers might need.
So it's doing all that research for me.
Yeah, all the stuff that would take you forever to do manually.
That's awesome. And then
Then it generates the core parts of your offer.
like what kinds of things?
It might suggest a pricing model.
Oh.
Like a monthly subscription or a tiered package or something.
Right.
And it might figure out what benefit or problem to focus on.
Okay.
And then it uses all that to start making the actual offer.
Okay, now that's starting to make sense.
Yeah.
But how good can this AI-generated stuff actually be?
Right.
Like, I'm imagining it'll sound kind of generic and robotic.
Yeah. That's a big question with all this AI marketing stuff.
Yeah.
But OfferHub AI says they use advanced language models, so the content is supposed to be persuasive and engaging.
Uh-huh. But that's subjective, right?
Yeah.
What I think is persuasive might sound totally cheesy to someone else.
For sure. So we'll have to look at the quality of the content later.
Yeah.
But for now, let's finish talking about the process.
Right.
So we've got the market analysis, The core offer components, and then what?
Well, this is where the marketing materials come in, right?
Okay.
The Facebook ads and the email templates and all that.
Yep. Once it's got the offer figured out, it generates all the marketing materials.
So I could go from 0 to launching an offer in like no time.
That's the idea. But we still need to see if it actually works that well.
Right.
Yeah.
So much to unpack.
Yeah, we've only just scratched the surface.
But I'm intrigued.
Me too.
Let's take a quick break and then we'll come back and dive deeper into OfferHub AI's features and claims, and we'll see if it lives up to all the hype.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so we've talked about how OfferHub AI tries to solve these problems of time and expertise and just getting stuck for ideas.
Yeah, and we talked about how it uses AI to make all this stuff happen, from the offer itself to the marketing materials.
Right. But let's get into the specifics.
Okay.
What are some of the features that really stand out?
Well, one thing they talk about a lot is unlimited offer creation.
Okay, what's that?
So basically, you can create as many offers as you want.
Oh, wow.
Like, you're not limited to a certain number of products or niches or anything like that.
So if I'm constantly testing new offers or launching new products, this could be really helpful.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
all about being able to scale your business quickly.
I see.
Yeah.
What else is there?
They also talk a lot about comprehensive marketing assets.
Okay, we touched on that earlier.
Yeah, but they really emphasize that you get everything you need to launch and promote your offer.
So it's not just about creating the offer, it's about actually getting it out there in front of people.
Yeah, they say they can make Facebook ads and email sequences and even video scripts for YouTube.
Wow. It's like having a whole marketing team.
Right.
But, okay, let's be real here. How do we know if this is all just hype or if it actually works?
Yeah, good point.
What kind of questions should we be asking about these features?
Well, first of all, we have to think about quality.
Right.
Like, it can make a Facebook ad in seconds, but is it a good ad?
Yeah.
Does it actually grab people's attention and make them want to buy something?
So quantity doesn't equal quality.
Exactly. We need to look at the actual results, not just how much stuff it can create.
What else?
Customization is another big one.
Right.
Every business is different and every offer is different.
Mm-hmm.
So can OfferHub AI really adapt to those differences, or is it just a one-size-fits-all kind of thing?
Yeah, if it's just giving everyone the same generic templates, that's not really solving the problem.
Exactly.
What else?
And then we have to think about control.
Oh, good.
Like, if we're letting the AI do so much, are we giving up too much control over our brand and our marketing?
Right. It's like, are we becoming too dependent on the AI?
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
So even though OfferHub AI might be able to solve some problems, it might also create some new ones.
It's a trade-off.
Okay, so we have a framework for thinking about these features.
Right.
But how does this all work in the real world?
Okay, so this is where the idea of human in the loop comes in.
What's that?
So basically, OfferHub AI isn't supposed to replace human marketers completely.
Okay.
It's more like a starting point.
I see.
It gives you a foundation, and then you can build on that and refine it.
So it's like a collaboration between the human and the AI.
Exactly. Like you're working together as partners.
Okay, I like that. So it's not about the AI taking over, it's about the AI making us better at our jobs.
Exactly.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves here.
Right.
We still need to see if OfferHub AI actually lives up to its promises.
Yeah, we need to look at what it actually produces and see if it's any good.
Agreed. So when we come back, let's get into the nitty-gritty of OfferHub AI's output
Right.
and see if it passes the test.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so we're back, and the big question is OfferHub AI worth it?
Yeah, that's what everyone wants to know.
Right, because there's so much to consider.
Definitely.
But let's try to break it down. What are some of the good things about OfferHub AI?
Well, the biggest one is probably saving time.
Yeah.
We talked about how it can automate all that stuff, like market research and making the content and designing everything.
Right.
So if it actually works, that could free up a lot of time.
And time is money, right?
Yeah.
So even if the quality isn't perfect, just being faster could be huge.
Especially for busy business owners.
Totally. Okay, what else?
It could also save you money.
Okay.
Hiring marketers is expensive.
Oh, yeah.
And OfferHub AI is a lot cheaper.
So it's like a more affordable way to get those marketing skills.
Yeah, they're trying to make it accessible to everyone.
I like that. But, okay, cost isn't everything.
Right?
What about the results?
That's the important part.
Yeah. Does OfferHub AI actually help you make better offers and better campaigns?
Well, the reviews are kind of mixed.
Oh, really?
Some people say it's amazing and they got way more conversions.
Wow.
But other people say it's just okay. And they had to change a lot of stuff.
So it's not a guaranteed win.
Yeah, it sounds like you still need some marketing knowledge to make it work really well.
So it's like a tool that can help you, but it's not going to do everything for you.
Exactly. You still need to be the one making the decisions.
Okay, that makes sense. So we've talked about the good stuff, but what about the bad stuff?
Well, one thing is you might start relying on the AI too much.
Right.
It's easy to just trust the AI and do whatever it says.
Yeah.
But we have to remember that the AI isn't always right.
It's not perfect.
Yeah, it can make mistakes or give you weird results.
So you still need to use your own judgment.
Definitely.
What else?
Another problem is that the AI might not be very creative.
Okay.
It's good at analyzing data, but it's not so good at coming up with new ideas.
So if you only use AI-generated stuff, your marketing might sound kind of boring.
Yeah, it might not stand out.
Like those AI music generators.
Exactly. They're technically good, but they don't have any soul.
Right, right. Okay, so we've got to be careful about that. And then there's that question of control. Like if you're letting the AI do all the work, are you giving up too much control over your brand?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Like you want to use the AI, but you don't want it to take over.
You want to stay in charge.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's a tough balance.
It is. But I think the best approach is to use both human skills and AI.
Like a partnership.
Yeah, you combine the best of both worlds.
So the human brings the creativity and the strategy.
And the AI brings the speed and the data analysis.
I like that. It's like a superhero team up.
Ha! Exactly.
So, okay, big question time. Is OfferHub AI the future of marketing?
I don't think so.
Okay.
It's a really cool tool, but it's not going to replace humans completely.
Yeah, it can't do everything.
It can make offers and marketing stuff.
Right.
But it can't replace human creativity and strategy.
You still need to understand your audience and your brand.
Yeah. Basically, OfferHub AI is a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how you use it.
So if you're thinking about using it, just be realistic about what it can do.
Don't expect it to be magic.
But if you're willing to put in the work, it could be really helpful.
Definitely. It could be a really valuable tool.
I think that's a great way to put it.
Yeah.
So that's our deep dive into OfferHub AI.
Thanks for having me.
It was fun. And to everyone listening, let us know what you think. Have you tried OfferHub AI? What was your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And we'll see you next time for another deep dive.